Hey there, I'm Charlotte, the Gulf Coast Granny. Today I'm going to update you guys on the baby chicks that I bought about 3 weeks ago. They have grown something fierce. There they are, y'all. It's Gretchen, Eliza, and I forget the white one's name. I'll have to ask my son. We had to put them outside because they were making too much noise in the house, and also they were starting to stink really, really bad. No matter how much we cleaned it out, it was just stinky, stinky. So what we did to improvise, instead of building them their own separate coop, we got a 30 by 30 rabbit cage to put them in. That way nothing can crawl up underneath and burrow under to get the chicks. We put some vinyl siding on the top to keep the rain out. But the reason we did it this way and we put this rabbit cage up against the coop, this is a great way to introduce the new chicks to the big birds without the big birds picking on them and possibly injuring them. We want them to get used to seeing each other every day and kind of being part of the group. And hopefully it will cut down on any problems when they are big enough to go in the main coop with the big chickens. What do you want? All right, don't you dare try to peck me. Get. Thank you. Well, that makes 3 eggs today, and I'm happy about that. So anyhow, that's our way of integrating new chicks into our main coop. Keep your fingers crossed that it'll work. It usually does with us, but you never know about these chickens. They have funny ways, and they really like their pecking order. Y'all don't forget to give me a thumbs up, click the like button below, and subscribe if you haven't already. Thanks. Have a great day. Bye.